All right, we're back with All Day Project Wicked. Wicked. I heard that the song Wicked was going to come out. They just released 2 videos, so we're going to be checking out 2 videos. Wicked performance video, version A movie set, and then we got Basement. What? The Basement? Hey, yo. Okay. Well, without further ado, let's check out All Day Project Wicked performance video. Play my intro. Be sure to check out more content on my Instagram, TikTok, Twitch. I'll be live streaming there, and my Patreon. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. Also, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, JREAMERS. I post gaming videos over there. We've been playing Five Nights at Freddy, Secrets of a Mimic. Oh my god. If you want to see scared ass Dre, go check it out there. Yo. Hey, yo, Jackie, I was joking. We don't gotta play, Jackie. We don't gotta play, Jackie. Oh, hell no. We moving. Anyways, without further ado, All Day Project Wicked performance video. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Hey. Off the bat? Oh, well, Is that Brazilian funk? Oh, okay, Tarzan. What damage you gonna do? Hurt my pockets.
You gonna need some cameras to snap it, flick it, cause we wicked.
Okay. Oh, what?
You're really talking to me like that? Better know that I hit back.
Oh.
When you chit chat, she refresh, need a reset. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Yeah, give me my respect.
Yeah.
The month and my vibe, accept that. Pray one day you gon' get that shot. Photo shoot.
Pop.
Photo shoot.
Take your shot.
Take your shot.
Photo shoot.
Just snap it, flick it, cause we
Wicked.
Okay, Bailey. Whoa, not through the grills. Not through the grills. What the?
Wicked.
Oh, you know, this effect is quite interesting. That little, like, the black bars, and then like kind of like, what is it called? Boxing him out. I don't know what the term is called right now. Damn, I'm tripping, because as you see right here, he appears past the bars, so giving that 3D effect. It's fire.
Reckon like I'm demon, keep your compliment. My drip so sentimental, mental misapprove it, heavy mental. I said the way they addicted could have predicted ambition, bring friction to your jurisdiction. Will they be fiction, lacking conviction? Baby, bite the bullet, bet I'm take your shot.
Barely dangerous, bro. That was fire. Hold up.
Proof it, heavy mental.
Tarzan.
The way they addicted could have predicted ambition, bring friction to your jurisdiction. Will they be fiction, lacking conviction? Baby, bite the bullet, bet I'm take your shot. Photo shoot.
Photo shoot.
Photo shoot.
Take your shot. Photo shoot.
That photo shoot. Take a shot. Pop. It's interesting.
Snap it, flick it, cause we
Yeah, we do this all day.
Oh, nice editing here. For a performance video? Jesus. This is the movie set though. Whoop! Freeze up. Oh, that was pretty fire. Cool. Oh my god, what the hell is this production for a performance video, bitch? Is that the freaking Batmobile?
Gotta pop out and show what they're really not ready. Be scared when we pull up.
What is that? Oh damn, let's go.
Short pussy threat, telling pussies breaking sweats. Did I stand up? Just like you can stand us. Huggy drop, doggy leg, yo, we answer to the call. Lights, camera, action. Take your shot.
Take your shot. Bro, Bailey's facial expressions, they're good. They're good. I sound like I'm glazing right now. Yeah. Ah! Bro, what is this production? Okay. Interesting. I felt like these songs packaged together, I get why they did that. They kind of like they complement each other, I guess. The basement though, what the hell the basement mean? I mean literally it's in the basement, Drake. Gosh. Okay, Tarzan coming in. I'm not gonna lie, that beat go hard.
Baby, I'm the trillers.
Remember Trillist, the app? I'm sorry. I just had to say, was it Trillist? Trill? Was it Trill? I had some homies on there.
Baby, I'm the trillers. Average. Fashion game, I manage. Gotta do some damage.
Do some damage. What you talking about?
Snap it, flick it, cause we wicked. Wicked, wicked. Wicked. Wicked, wicked. Wicked. Wicked, wicked. Wicked. Wicked, wicked.
You guys think they use the term wicked because how wicked's popping, right? Not right now, been popping. She's good.
To me like that, better know that I hit back. That's it, you want my when you chit chat, tashi refresh, need a reset. RESPECT, yeah, give me my wrist back. I want the most in my vibe, accept that. Pray one day you gon' get that shot.
I like her voice too. You know, like I can say whatever about like the hook and ever, you know, like people are gonna hate it or not hate it, but not be that into it or really into it. But it's getting me to say pa 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 no matter what. Like take a flick, photo shoot, pa pa pa. Like
take your shot, photo shoot, pa pa pa.
Like what?
Just snap it, flick it, cause we
wicked, wicked, wicked.
You got shoulder pads on, Tarzan?
Wicked,
I still can't believe your name's Tarzan.
wicked, 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 wicked.
All right, let's go, Woo. Let's go, Woo. Woo, woo.
Wrecking like I'm demon, keep your compliment. My drip so sentimental, mental, misapprove it, heavy metal that I said.
the way they addicted, could have predicted ambition bring.
Okay, like, okay. The way Tarzan comes in is pretty good.
Wrecking like I'm demon, keep your compliment. My drip so
Is that bounce?
sentimental, mental, misapprove it, heavy metal that I said.
The way they addicted,
Oh, did he like...
Mental, misapprove it, heavy
That's cold.
that I said.
the way they addicted, could have predicted ambition bring friction to your jurisdiction.
God damn, Bailey.
Conviction, baby, bite the bullet, bet 'em. Take your shot. Photo shoot.
Photo shoot.
Photo shoot.
Take a shot.
Photo shoot.
Who made the choreo for this one, too?
Just snap it, flick it, cause we
Yeah, we do this all day. Wicked burn, we don't play. 다 관심 없고 신경 꺼 난 내가 길 갈게. See me Medusa.
Little change
내
up, too.
모습은 freezer.
That's fire. That's fire. She's good. She's good. She's good.
허세는 난 돌아 근데 아이체인 걸어 여기 돈 다 털어 착한 척 지겨 베개 파인 나 블랙 판에 불 질러버려 그래 목숨 걸어 떨고 싶어도 못 던
Short pussy threat, telling pussies breaking sweats. Did I stand up? Just like you can stand us. Huggy drop, doggy leg, yo, we answer to the call. Lights, camera, action. Take your shot.
Hey, hey.
Photo shoot.
Photo shoot. Pop, 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 pop. Make the ass go pop, pop. No, I'm playing.
Just snap it, flick it.
Okay. Wicked. Oh, damn, the dogs are barking too. They be hearing this. Ooh. Okay, so wait. the movie set was definitely a lot more like heavy production. This one showed more of the choreo and the performance. I feel like there's more of a performance video than the other one, but I guess they just wanted to flex to have two of them. Cause like they even had like the blue screen and everything. But you did see more facials like of the members in the movie set one. I just like the way Bailey dances, bro. I'm straight glazing right now. But like it's just ooh, again. And the freaking lighter, bruh. Why did I pause here? Anyways, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Wicked performance videos, version A and version B. One's the movie set, one's the basement set. Again, put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Again, check out the Patreon. We just reacted to K-Pop Demon Hunters. Go check it out. And yeah, see you guys the next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.